Unlock the power to embed legally binding signatures and interactive documents directly onto your Google site with this simple Signnow integration tutorial. Let's dive in. The first step is to ensure you have both a Signnow account and editing access to your Google site once logged into your Signnow account. Navigate to the document you wish to embed. This could be a contract, a form, or any document requiring a signature or user input. Within the Signnow interface for your chosen document, look for the Share or Embed options. Signnow makes it incredibly easy to generate embed code. Click on the relevant option, and you'll see a section for embedding your document. You'll find a line of code. This is what we need. Now, switch over to your Google Sites editor. Open the page where you want to add your Signnow document on the right-hand side of the Google Sites editor. You'll see a toolbar with various elements you can insert. Look for the Embed option. It might be represented by an icon or labeled as Embed Code. Clicking Embed will bring up a dialog box. Here, you'll see two tabs, Embed URL and Embed Code. We need to select the Embed Code tab now. Carefully copy the complete embed code from your Signnow document. Paste the copied Signnow embed code directly into the provided field in the Google Sites Embed dialog box. Once pasted, click the Insert button. You'll immediately see a placeholder appear on your Google site where your Signnow document will live. This placeholder represents your interactive Signnow document. You can resize it by dragging the corners to fit your page layout perfectly. When your audience visits your Google site, they will be able to view, fill out, and even sign documents all without leaving your website. This integration streamlines your workflows, enhances user engagement, and adds a professional touch to your online presence. Elevate your Google sites with the power of Signnow today.